The Research Clinical Center for Cardiac Surgery and Transplantology today possesses a powerful material and technical base with high scientific, practical, and educational potential. "95% of patients of the Republic of Kazakhstan receive medical care free of charge, 5% paid services for residents of other countries." The center is equipped with the latest types of equipment. The center has gained experience with more than 3,000 open heart surgeries. Of these, 1,000 adults and 2,000 newborns and children provided with highly technological medical care. The Research Clinical Center for Cardiac Surgery and Transplantology applies minimally invasive, innovative technologies for the correction of congenital heart defects, valve pathology, uterine hub fibroids, prostate adenoma, varicocele, malignant hypertension, and arteriovenous malformation. Moreover, the center is performing kidney transplants from a living related donor and a cadaver.